welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at our Snapmaker A350, except this time we've got it in our little enclosure. My dad and I built this from PVC and some plastic that I bought at Home Depot and everything. It is 2 feet tall, 2 feet wide, and 3 feet deep, and it encompasses all of the Snapmaker except for this guy. We decided to leave this guy out of it whenever we made it. That way, whenever we get into like CNC milling and all that stuff, we're not gonna have a bunch of like wood shavings coming onto the power unit, and disturbing it, and maybe causing a fire or something like that. So we left it outside, and if it gets dusty, we can just dust it off and everything like that. So this enclosure is good for keeping out dust. It's good for keeping out any big particles. If you're moving stuff around, it keeps the particles out. We have these 2 big bay doors. Let me close them for you. Okay, so this is what it looks like whenever it's closed. We have our 2 little bay doors here, as you can tell by this blue gaff tape, electrical tape. Oh, the door just fell off. We do have some air gaps here in the back. That way, in case we need to let some air ventilation come through. It's not like completely sealed to where there's no way for anything to escape and everything like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like whenever it's open again. It's pretty good. It's really cheap. I'd say estimated probably like 20-30 bucks. So if you bought a Snapmaker and you're looking for a way to kind of enclose it, keep the dust out without having to spend, a fortune on something really cool, then it's a good way to do it. Now I know you're gonna say, wow, why would you spend a lot of money on a 3D printer and then enclose it in like a $20 like PVC plastic thing that you just made out of nowhere? Guess what? I'd like to eventually make one out of like aluminum and like Lexan and have like a nice ventilation thing with like sound dampening, because this is a very loud machine, by the way. That's my eventual goal. I want to make a custom built one that is pretty cool and everything and suits my needs for what I need to have and all that stuff. But for now, it does the job. It keeps the dust out and stuff like that, and we have the humidity reducing thing in there, by the way. If you're looking to keep the humidity out, there's a little damper right over there. It sucks in all the moisture and everything. It's really nice. So eventually we'll upgrade it and it'll be really cool. But for now, we're stuck with this guy. And you know what? It gets the job done. Alright, so thank you guys very much for watching the video today. I really appreciate it. If you guys bought the official Snapmaker enclosure or made your own, leave a comment down below. If you made your own, you can tweet them at me. The social media account is linked down below. And yeah, have a fantastic day, everybody, and keep creating.